Welcome back to another Camino video. My name is John Roy, and today we're going to look at my Camino training plan. Really, there's no one set training plan for the Camino de Santiago. In fact, many would say you can't train for the Camino at all. You just can't prepare for what it will throw at you, like crossing a mountain in your first day, or seeing a snowstorm in the middle of August, or meeting strangers that will treat you like family. Hey, that doesn't sound so bad. The Camino de Santiago is an all-inclusive experience that welcomes people at any level of fitness. The physical challenge of the Camino is to simply make it to Santiago de Compostela. Some people will take longer than others, but everyone will get there in their own time. Having said that, any preparation you do before your Camino will make it significantly less painful and therefore more enjoyable, and it will also greatly reduce your chance of injury. Not that everyone does this, but it would be considered smart to get a medical checkup before you go on any trip or start any training program. I am definitely not a doctor or a fitness expert, and this plan is simply what I've put together through my own research that I've done on the internet. On your Camino, there will be long stretches of road between the towns and villages, and if you get sick, other pilgrims and locals will do their best to help you. However, if you need further medical aid, facilities may not be close enough. It's better to be safe than sorry. Please go see a doctor before you start your Camino. Healthy eating is also essential when training, and if appropriate, you may want to ask a health expert to assist you with an eating plan to get you healthier while you're training your body to walk for hours and days and weeks on end. Now, for your actual training plan, I recommend starting at least 3 months before your Camino start date. And if you don't already have a good pair of hiking shoes, I would also recommend buying a pair of those at least 3 months before so that you can wear them through all of your training. As well, throughout your training, you'll want to make sure to use different elevations and different types of terrain so you can simulate better what you'll find on the Camino. So in your first week of training, you're going to start out nice and easy. 30 minutes of walking a week. In week 2, you're going to do 30 minutes again during the week, but make sure not to take any breaks. At this point, we're not worried about distance, we're just trying to get your body used to walking. And in weeks 3 and 4, you're going to continue with 30 to 40 minutes per week. Nothing too strenuous yet. At 2 months before your Camino, you should start walking a little bit longer, about 1 to 2 hours, once or twice a week. And you're also going to want to start wearing your basic Camino gear. So your backpack, your shoes, your water bottle, and the clothing you're planning on wearing while you're on the Camino. This will slowly get you used to the gear and also let you see if there's anything that's not working for you. At 1 month before your Camino, you're still going to be walking 1 to 2 hours, once or twice a week, but now you want to add all the rest of the gear into your bag that you're going to be taking with you. So the rest of your clothing, your toiletries, your sleeping bag, all that type of thing. You may not realize this now, but carrying a heavy backpack every day through your Camino is going to cause your posture to adjust, accommodating the extra weight and new muscles that are now being used. At first during your training, you'll probably get sore back, sore neck, sore shoulders, sore arms maybe, but this will get better as you continue to train. And this is why I recommend training from 1 month out with the full gear in your bag. That way it's going to let you know if there's anything that's not working for you with your gear, but also if you need to take any weight out before you start your Camino. At 3 weeks before your Camino, the distance you're walking is now becoming more important than the time you spend walking. Your target for the week should be 10 kilometers with your full gear, and maybe add some food in there as well if you haven't already. At 2 weeks before your Camino, your goal should be 15 kilometers with a full pack and some food in there as well. The week before you start your Camino, your goal should be 15 to 20 kilometers. Again, wearing all of your gear so that you know if there's any last minute changes that need to be made before you go on your Camino! I'm really excited for you, by the way. I hope you have an amazing adventure filled with friends, food, and fine wine. I'm also excited for my next Camino, but until then, please comment below if you think there's anything else I should add to my training plan. And please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and buen Camino!